Hi, welcome back friends. So let's continue our edit product.php file. In previous video we have successfully fetched out the values in our form elements. You can see here. Now we are going to edit. How can we edit or how can we update the product? So here we need to do little changes. We are going to disable this barcode field and we are going to change the name here. Okay, then we will write the update query for update the data. So let's open our editor and first let's go on the field of barcode. So barcode field, you can see here, here we need to give the class. I am going to give here disable. Okay, save, and I want to change the name of the button. Button name I want to show update instead of edit button. So let's go for the button. Button here. Let's give update. Okay, and button edit product. The name attribute is button edit product. So let's save the file and see the output first. Refresh our page. Perfect. You can see the barcode field is disabled. We don't want to edit the barcode, and instead of barcode we can edit anything, means all the parameters of our product details. Okay, and now you can see here this is the update button, now update product, and now let's do code for our update query. So simply for saving the time, first remove this. In previous video we fetch out the data from the database. That's why I have given here name of the variables like that. I just added db for the database. Okay, so for saving the time we can go on add product.php and here we can copy the code. So I'm going to copy from if and here. So first variable, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7 and 8 variable, up to 8 variables I am going to copy. Okay, and let's pick on our edit product.php, and after that I am going to paste that if condition. Okay, and inside that let me close this if, and inside if you can see I can give here txt. So copy, give here the txt, and here also, and here also, and here also, and here also, and here also. Okay, so we can recognize which variable belongs to the text field or the database. So we can recognize this like this. Okay, txt means from the text field and db means from the database. You can see here we are getting the value in this variable from the database, and we are getting values in this variable from the text field. So don't be confused using of post method. Now what I need to do, so after this I am going to use here if condition again, and if, and then else, and inside this if I will use a empty method, $f, and here I will use not equal to. Okay, and in the else section we will write the query first, then I will explain you what I have done here. Okay, so first in else section I let me write the query. First let me explain why I'm going to write query in else section. You can see here, let me resize my browser. You can see here if I change the product name or category or description or stock or purchase price or sell price, but not the image. Okay, not the image, then we will write code in else section. Okay, if we choose the image, okay, if we will choose the image with other parameters, then we will write query again in if condition or if section. Okay, so if the user does not select the image, it means the image underscore txt file is empty. Then we will get out the value from the image underscore db variable, not from the dollar image underscore txt variable. Okay, I hope got this. I hope you got this. Then if you are not get this, I will explain you again. First let me write the code. So first of all, I am going to write code inside the else section, then we will write code in if section. So let me write the update query here. So now our query is completed. Let's me check first. I want to add here the sweet alert, then we will check. So we can add the sweet alert from the 8 products .php, and let's go here and we can copy the sweet alert code from here. Let's copy and let's go back on edit product, and in the last after the footer we can add the sweet alert code here, and just like that we can copy the output code. Okay, and the same code we can copy copy this code, and let's back on edit product, and here we can add this code. So paste this, and product inserted, product updated successful. Here we can give updated successful, and product update fail. Okay, so our code is successfully wrote. We have wrote successfully our code, and now let's check. You can see here the if section is empty now, and we took the image from the database. You can see here means user does not selected the image, user selected the values from the text field. That's why we have taken here the values from the text field, not from the database. I hope you got this. So first let's check our code is working not. If it is giving us error, then we will resolve it. So open our browser and let's refresh first. Let's go first on product list, and let's try to edit this veg burger. Go to edit, and here veg burger, let's check veg burger paneer, and let's try to give a random category here, small and big, and stock quantity let's give 10, and purchase price 5, and sell price is 8, but we are not chosen image here. Okay, let's click on update. It is updated or not. Please select this file. Okay, so what I need to do, simply first let's go on code editor, and let's go for the image code, and in the image code we need to remove the required class from here. So you can see here the image code in our form. So let's remove this required. Now let's save again, and let's go back on our code editor. Let's again go on product list and click on edit product, and let's edit paneer, then give here non-veg, small, big, test, 1000, 10,000, 5,000, 8,000, and let's click on update product. So it is not showing us the message it is updated or not. Let's open our database. And in the database, let's check. Let's go on table product and let's veg burger. It is not updated now, so there may be a problem. Okay, let's check in our browser code what error we are getting here. Okay, here we forgot the name attribute of the button, so the name attribute of the button is wrong. Here is btn save. So the silly problems you can also do, so be aware and be focused when you do coding. Here this is the name attribute of our button, so copy this and we need to tell the name of the button attribute here. Okay, so let's tell, or let's give. Now the button name attribute is btn edit product. Okay, and now let's save and again open our browser, again open product list and again go to edit product and remove here veg burger and select the category non-veg books and let's give some dummy data here because we are just checking, that's why I'm giving here some wrong information. Okay, click on update product successful. Okay, but here it is not showing our product is updated not, but it is showing the error undefined array key text txt barcode. Okay, txt barcode in line number 29. So here let's see line number 29 barcode txt. Okay, we are not updating the barcode. Barcode txt barcode. So let's comment out this line, save. And one thing more we can do, simply let's select this lines of code, select this from here. You can see from the select query, let's copy the lines of code, copy, and let's go just after the if condition here and let paste that code again here. Okay, because we are setting the database value in our text field, so in the last when our code is updated, when our data is updated, then we can show the updated data in our text field using of this variable. Okay, that's why I paste these lines here. Okay, save file and let's go here, refresh our page. Perfect, you can see here now updated value from the database we can see here. Okay, now let's update again burger, select the category veg and remove this, and here stock quantity is 1000, purchase price is 50 and sell price is 80. We are not choosing the image here. Okay, so now let's click on update, updated product updated successful. Let's see, perfect, it is updated successful now. Okay, I hope you got this what I have done in this tutorial. Let me explain you. I will take only 2 minutes for explaining. I am not taking too time of here. So what I have done here, simply here I am just using if condition. Inside the if condition we are clicking on this button. After clicking on this button, we just getting out the value using of post method in these variables, and I use here the if condition, and inside the if condition I am just checking image is selected or not. Okay, if image is selected, if the user, you can see here, if the user will select the image, a new image, then this if section code will execute. So this section code we will write in next video, otherwise this else code will execute. Okay, in this condition user does not selected the image. Okay, user only changes the product name, wage, means category, description, stock and purchase price and sell price, but user does not select any image. So the previous images we want to update, that's why here in this else section we are running this query. Okay, and we just passes here the database value instead of txt. Okay, you can see here we have passed here the txt values, but for the image we have passed the database value, means previous value, means previous image, the same image we are updating here. Okay, and if the user will choose a new image, then we will write code for that condition in if section. Okay, I hope you got this. In the next tutorial I will write code in the if section. Okay, so I hope you got this what I have done in this tutorial. If you have any doubt you can ask me the question. So see you in next video.